Okay, we are at Gold's Gym in Clearwater, Florida, and this is Amanda.
Hola.
I just showed Amanda for the first time this roller right here. She's never seen or experienced it. We'll show you the whole thing in just a minute, but Amanda's doing an amazing workout today, and I asked her, how about, let's get a little experience here on rolling your back and add it to your workout. And I don't think she wants to give it back. Let's take a good look at that. Can you show me the roller?
Yep.
So we are not hitting any bony areas. We're not working the vertebra. Primarily the low back. You can work the glutes. You can work pretty far up the back until it slips out. And then the foam roller here is a real good addition. And she wants to lay her head back and breathe and relax.
You gotta like really sink it in too.
Can you say that louder?
You really have to like sink in and like let your lower and upper body kind of like sink so that can put more pressure on that lower part where it's digging into.
So I have an expression I call hurts good. That's what you're feeling?
Oh yeah.
Very nice, huh?
Well, my boyfriend's massaging me. He's like, oh, does that hurt? I'm like, it feels good though. Keep going. The good relief. How long can you do it for?
That's a really good question. So there are times that I'll probably spend 10 or 15 minutes a lot of times when maybe I feel like a kink is coming on, or I want to get out the door but I want to get relief. And then sometimes, and being the good question that it is, I will take a hot bath.
Yep.
And then I'll maybe put something good on TV or some music.
Oh yeah.
And I will roll on it. I might spend 30-45 minutes on it.
Yep.
And
30,
then I'll use my neck stick and I'll work out my neck.
Yeah.
And then I might grab an ice pack and put it behind my back and sit on my recliner.
So is this your rest and recovery kind of day, or do you do this before workout, after workout? Just depends on what your body's
Yes.
saying.
Yes, meaning all those.
All the above. Yeah. I typically do it before a workout a little bit, and then before I go to bed.
Now let me show you. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you, as long as we're on this video here, this roller. Go ahead and come right back to where you were, and go ahead and lay in the same position.
With this lower or
No,
lower?
not that one. Just get back on your elbows. Roll that leg out that way, and then bring this hip up. No, keep it bent. Your knee bent, and just go like this. Okay, bring your foot towards you a little bit, and you can raise this hip and put that right on your glute, wherever you want, wherever you want it.
Let's see where you're going with this.
I might have lost my focus with the camera for a minute there. So you can see the roller right up under there. And Amanda just seems to be a natural at this already.
Yeah.
How does that feel?
Feels good. It's like putting the ball, the lacrosse ball.
I have 2 lacrosse balls right over there. That's another thing that we're going to show.
Digs into it. Why are you opening your hips when you're doing it? Like
Because it changes, good question, it brings the angle of your hips over.
So you're actually digging into the muscle?
Yeah, I mean, you can get the different glute muscles, the medius, the maximus, the piriformis. You know those names?
I took a yoga teacher training and I tried to learn every joint, every tendon, every muscle, every bone in under like 2 weeks. I didn't learn it all very quickly.
No, I had to learn it for massage school and
Oh, yeah.
for licensing. And then we got the CEUs every 2 years.
Yep, the continued education ones.
Yes.
Yep.
Well, Amanda, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And it was
Anytime.
nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
You got to get on and get your own tools.